What is up, guys? I'm LazerSamuraiGG, and on today's video I'm going to be making a folded over cheese smash burger from the comic Burger Smash. Check it out for free in the link in the description.
First things first, let's heat up some oil. I use a cast iron pan on medium heat. Firstly, let's take your hamburger beef. I usually roll it up to the size of my palm. Let's season it now with some salt, come on you little noob tears, and some pepper. So you take the seasoned part and place it down on the pan. You usually use a metal spatula for this, but I only have plastic. I always spray a little bit of non-stick on the spatula so the patty doesn't get stuck when I smash it.
You really want to get it down and get the corners. It's my spray ain't really working. So you do that with both patties.
Then we season the other side with salt and pepper also. And now all that we do is wait for the patties to brown. While we do that, we can think about other stuff. Or try not to let the existential dread sink in. Okay, now that that's over and done with, let's see how the patties are doing. What we want to look out for is when it starts browning around the edges. When it starts browning, it's ready for the flip. With the edges browned, let's flip them over. What we want to do next is grab some cheese. Let's layer that bad boy with a few cheese slices. Now what we want to do is stack them on top of each other. This will get the cheese nice and melty. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Look at that cheese, nice and melty. Now what we want to do is cut and butter our buns, because we're going to be toasting these in a pan. You want to toast your buns so your burger doesn't get soggy. And we all know, soggy burgers suck. We just put them in a hot pan and let them toast. Now with the bun toasted, we have some pickles, iceberg lettuce and a thinly sliced red onion. The sauce I have is mayo with a dash of mustard. Personally for me the two mix very well and taste really good. We just want to get both sides here. Okay, that'll do it. Personally, I like working from the bottom upwards. So let's start with our thinly sliced red onion. Now it's the iceberg lettuce, there we go. Now it's the pickles. My secret is I add habaneros to the brine of the pickles to give it that extra bite. I think they're also available at the supermarkets, so you can just check. Now to add the final piece, the cheesy double patty. Let's just ground the skin. Oh, look at that cheesy melty goodness. Oh, the double cheese smash burger. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Burger Smash. Hey guys, if you enjoyed that video and you'd like to see some more, hit the like button. And if you're a newcomer, please subscribe. You'll be helping out the channel in a big way. Keep it GG guys. Keep it GG.